There are countless ways in which humans rely upon the natural environment around us, however outside of the field range of environmental sciences and studies. It is not overly common practice to actively foster a reciprocal relationship with the environment. Human activity such as deforestation, industrialization, the use of fossil fuels, and so forth are degrading the environment and contributing to the sixth mass extinction on Earth. Within the sciences, there are four forms of valuation: direct use value, indirect use value, option value, and existence value. Let's take a deeper look. What is a resource worth? Direct use value refers to when products are harvested by people for a productive purpose, such as for food or wood for a fire or shelter. Indirect use value refers to resources that provide current benefits to people, and is a non-consumptive form of use, such as areas of recreation or education. Option value describes the possibility for a resource to provide possible future benefits, including biomedical or consumption purposes. Existence value is placed on resources that will never be utilized by individuals, and focuses on the satisfaction that comes from preserving the biodiversity of a natural or historic environment. Traditional ecological knowledge is a collaborative concept that addresses the interconnection between humans, plants, animals, and natural phenomena. This accumulating body of indigenous knowledge has developed over millennia and spread through oral traditions, and was advanced by elders within indigenous tribes in the 1980s as a conceptual framework for promoting a wider understanding of the interrelations between humans and the environment. Indigenous communities have long relied upon their traditional knowledge in order to sustainably manage and conserve natural resources. And their intimate connection with the environment has allowed indigenous peoples to develop strategies and practices that promote biodiversity, restore degraded ecosystems, and adapt to the changing climate conditions that are largely driven by humans, or more specifically, industrialization. The existence of these values and humans' reliance upon the natural world around us suggests that we should morally and ethically interact with our environment through reciprocity and stewardship, such as in alignment with the core values of traditional ecological knowledge. However, many humans do not feel an inherent drive to conserve or protect nature. Traditional ecological knowledge can be utilized as a path towards filling the gaps in physical, emotional, and moral connections between humans and our environment through its holistic approach to the disciplines of science. By tapping into the wisdom and practices accumulated by indigenous communities, we can deepen our understanding of the environment and the spiritual and cultural significance of nature. Furthermore, through integrating TEK into a wider range of scientific approaches, people can gain a more comprehensive understanding of the environment in order to better address the environmental challenges we face globally. This can aid in the development of more sustainable practices and the conservation of biodiversity, and on a personal level, TEK can foster deeper connections with and respect for nature, leading to overall healthier and more reciprocal relationships between humans and the environment.